Namaskar, this is Ashish Mittal. Welcome to Aarsun Works. I have a Jhula seat, a reversible Jhula seat. I'll show you how the reverse works. But this is one of the most liked products, liked furniture items, because once you place a Jhula seat in your room, in your living room, or any standalone place also, there's a Jhula seat, it changes the look entirely. And you can see this in a number of pictures that are on the screen right now. The items we have delivered across the globe, how they have decorated the place with a Jhula seat, and we have got both the options. Jhula is broadly in two categories. Either it will go to a ceiling or the one with the stand. This one is the one that goes to the ceiling. As you can see, it's a little higher for a normal sitting because the beam is a little high. But the standard setup is this, a 7 feet chain, the chain that you see here, and then we have a seat here. The sitting area is 4 feet left to right, and outer size of the seat is 5 feet. Front to back is 27 inches, the area that is covering, and the back height of the total seat is 24 inches from this total height, 24 inches, 2 feet. Now, about the reversible thing, is a very easy thing to reverse. Simply pick it up and move it on the other side, and it becomes usable from this side as well. So, when you have a Jhula in the middle of the room and you're placing it right in the middle, then this thing works very nicely and you can use it both sides. This is the only work you have to do. Pick it and move it on the other side. The attachment you see here, this strip is solid brass, the chain is solid brass, and the unit is in teak wood, solid teak wood. This is in gloss finish and the color is dark walnut as per the client's requirement. Everything is customizable. The size, the design, if you want any changes, or the color of the unit as well as the fabric. You want some other fabric, a printed fabric, damask design, or some other pattern, you let us know. We'll give you the options in that one. This is the standard color the client selected and we have used it. And you can see it's a very spacious unit. I'll move on the side. I'm on the side and you can still see there's a lot of space I have here. The standard sitting height for a comfortable Jhula is around 20 to 22 inches and maybe 24 inches also if we are a little taller. But more than that, it gets a little uncomfortable. This is a little higher because the beam is a little high. When you talk about the standard setup, the chain length, if you have a 9 feet ceiling, the 7 feet chain works very well. And even in the chains, we have got several options. This is the animal figure one. You can see an elephant here, a peacock here, a horse on the top, 3 animal figures. If you want 4 animals, we have that also. If you want without animals, then we have different options. If you want it pure gold color, then we have the option for that as well. And if you want in steel also we have got the option that is coated with brass finish, antique brass finish. So the cost goes a little lower than compared to the solid brass chain. But the brass thing is right here and you can see the difference, the quality and the overall look, how it makes the unit once we have such a thing in place. For a ceiling swing seat, basically you require 3 things. One, an attachment on the ceiling. Second, the chain. And third, the seat itself. Now the attachment on the ceiling also has got options. If you have a concealed ceiling, you can get it inside the ceiling when you are getting the construction done. Or we have ceiling hooks with the bearing ceiling hooks, and we have got options for that. 3-4 different options you can see on the screen, and you can select one of these and that can be installed on the ceiling. Everybody knows that people who make the false ceiling, the electricians, anybody can install that for you. And then the chain part. For the chain, we have several options. You can go to the website, you can pick which one you like, and accordingly we'll provide you the chain. The length of the chain also adjustable. You want a smaller chain. If you have a lower ceiling or if you have a higher ceiling, you can go for more length. You can let us know. We'll provide you the same option. And then the seat part. In the seat also, you can see the rings here, the seat rings, and then the entire seat with the fabric and the options. If you want a single side, not reversible one, we have the options for that too. And for reversible also, we have got several options. So you pick what you like and we make that and deliver to your home. Not just in India, but 55 countries we are delivering to. So wherever you are, let us know, we'll deliver it right to your doorstep and at factory price. That is the best part. The quality of Aarsun solid teak wood, your choice, everything. Size, design, color, fabric, everything your choice. The chain part, the design part, and then factory price. So what you get is what you want and not what we have. So please select, let us know what you want. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Thank you. धन्यवाद.